there has been several committee upon committee, and this is even the 8th committee in this 4th Republic. I'll be saying, do we have to even be changing committees? Whereas at the end of what document in Munankasa, and we can be free. This committee, even share this planning committee if 2024 and I was reading a portion, just a portion. I say, I was see more than a bit me as a commercial request ni sane mani nyina na go say ye fa document ni die wom ye no ntiate ho committee na ne yetimi ye kwan no bosome nnum pe na su tutu wa bra ye kan obuku no ntiase ho committee ba ni asesa ban ba ni asesa ni sane mani nyina. In the first place, planning committee, how essential it is. And omadwuma ye na tisen na ye serious eba ne chiro ni dia ye fine, because 20 years ago, 25 years ago, yeah, Vision 2020. At that time, I still say, a chiri baby, in run more than Anka Ghana Hanum, you was sky train. And Panyami Adum, so I do sky train, Sikan Yedi, Bardian Yanye. A one cratem by Yanye, by who's the council de Yasan. Share policies are who do another to go aquam. And then can me adum any ye nina na media make come and say the idea no can be organa her biana a idea betumi aye na ebetumi kwa broso hwebusia ye bon basabasa and an kasabu sending na say the hwe Ghana and kanya ne say country wo brese kasabu wo say nche ura 70 ebetwa aka na udididi enye say ntumi nyo but wo de hwesika ye say no ani sik e kai sika ekogye say de ye busia na obi a wo dwene daache. So ye na ye see ye can Vision 2057. Yendru ono mono na ye centenary 100 years and besides on my wedding 100 years. Well, ye mompae na sa 4 years 8 years or more di chire yen idie. John Dramani ma baba e mu 4 years no. 4 years no ye odi mu be 5 months A to CJ. Maame no wonye correct amuntu no. Ba hwe committee bi ayate and I read ye be ye sa gross na mu 8 months ye di to CJ. O manya wo bobra daache. Ti se wo to na so wo bobra ma wo ahwe o mayi a wo se me ne ma se twemanson. Wo ye serious. Doc, key aspects of Vision 2057. Enwe frase na enam se me pese okoto adwumadi ni so nti na me di free ho no mo.
Coffee.
Opemsuo.
Say me oni obi ti won ye hu won asi bibi di akire.
Bibi ha no.
Na bibi a edi akire ne se ya na ejami nua panyi kwantwiti mi e ka asem bi se agrosa. Initially no kana me feel sa no odin pa. But upon careful examination, me say Nasem Crow can a understatement. Why am I saying this? Currently, Yania, you in between 1970 72 up to 75 for here, but no. Na and ye maybe war. Ne society and to me and picture the but he drew 80s now in your secondary schools no. Because 84 na me enter secondary school and me 89 until at that time I say me matured enough kakra because my economics O level in some of the performance indicators are then the teacher who taught us economics no was at that time fresh from university until now I say Phyllis no kakra it from that time no I think say na ye hwe say the year 2000 and na Ghana a projection in agina say bibi nsesa by the time you do the year 2000 and agenda bi by now can was say Vision 2020
you do 2000 a wo kana the year penny the ye pese du no emu bia no ma ya dru.
Yeah.
Enti ne yenhwe anim biem.
Na mehwe adebi. me started trade in 1997. Now you implemented Eguso. It was ongoing. FKIP, free compulsory universal basic education.
Yeah.
Now Eguso are din. Like I say, 2005. Na abewe na a compulsory say akoda bia ko school. Kofi ene ye bisa akoda bia ko school ne basic education akoda bia ko bi. Na me kai se document ne ye chema ye teacher for achechere for na ye kan ntina akora nko school ne ho asotwen wo for the parent. Itima former president Kufuor say ya any Netherlands for bi ekwaje school feeding e dey buy say be enticing Kufuor ama omo de omo ma akọ school. And school feeding na dane ntokwa aye okon say obi pese o kire say me na maban abanti me na o say me ye coordinator. Or say Nancy kwari ba ku bia meti no social media kwara de omo say omo yi enkra no schools omo do so no eni dem ankofo bi na omo no so no dem obi the credit metiti sansem no me reho to the extent say your national policy on education say FKIP no abrofu bi omutum ba bi de omusika ebe wuremu ekosi say program bidding e Ghana. Aside that no ya tena say adwendwena kansem bebre say ye pese say ye pese Ghana edru hwe Ghana ho policy formulation we are the best the whole world, but the implementation is the problem. So of kind we GS omo policies are me educationist into what na me hwe the year pa we omo policies go on ma e ka say ka Ghana ni akora e pass through your educational system ma e ka ko who don't have fun anymore and ka show but what is going on? And you me and others over here, we can testify say, public school. And a man when you cross up a man back of public school. And untrained teachers. And actually your madie. Meanwhile, o minor abo nipa ho ka tete wo mo. Ama wo mo age sika brane ejina brane it is education no ana ye hwehwe no eno na wo ho ya na to see bisa sa questions we na hwan so na e check sa na ema no ena education is not teacher centered mistake omu ye no especially free senior high school dey buy it was like say teachers were the enemies, so let us suppress them.
And I say Abba, so we can punish teachers. Into you to move here, webinar ye pe we say who teacher ni bia na wo fuck
say a casta crano o homechiro.
Opemsuo.
As a matter of fact, say ye policies. Not the aim of the policy. And they say you the best suppress you be. Me, I don't see it as a policy. I don't see it as policy. Eti factors, the key factors, no media me for education hold on because what na me wo.
Okay.
Eti hold na me what me be next time be sabe be man na for the economic aspect of it. As at now, Ghana ye measurement ne say education ye measurement akusi say Ghana ni akura bia obewie JHS no e dey no so utimi ye. I quite remember in the 80s Japan for Braiska I made it JHS that time for GSS ye the tools be gu o man mu
Opemsuo.
etina ma ye ne ye kɔ private school no na ye disadvantage eti ye mu bi no ye parents they said no and just idea we better your kwam it was a free muntem and JHS no aye theory but JSS na ba ye no Japan for this sika ba ye na ye I can't remember say na Jaka for omunam e check sa na ma ni nyina
na Jaka na so ma mo
omuda so ha ba say they are marching from the north
no much to focus no crowd for
free sad no crowd because omo hu say ye nyai oman aye boy ho obi sika e dani krom broni hu say sika no etena krom wo no ma e be cause so inflation this omo de Japan 4 years say omo for sika dem re ni o grant no crowd ba omo fa mre no omo adi nipa ba no abeso vice
na eno na doko ha na de tie ne say asma no na make ne say utifie eja e wo so obo brahwe oma want me anya wa wusika anya den anhwe oma ena ukọ abonten kọ bobosia e de hwe oma afi wo bosia no watra eno hobo ama wusa de ka wa akiri enti afi wusan kọ bobosia so de behwe oma kra ye nji wunye den edini enti nipa no e bia oma ho ye ne mobonti na wo se de mienko na mienko make sure say ska ya wo medema wi me de no aduane ayeden ama nkora no na ma hwe da bi se de papa wo num ye de no an ha da kochi nkusu edi nti nkora no nkora ne bia na mu hia wo di kosu ba ko papa we Ghana say na etie and obi a wuti sa na obontisu ni na ebebu bra ma na chese sebesebu nim nyansa enti mpempi by going to the IMF over we go inside we come out we enter we come out the only picture ayedema foreign donors and of course ya bra bonyina I say we depend on foreign donors enye nwanwa say hwe JHS awukan that time JSS aban bi ene di ne sika eden eba yetia no mo Jubilee House or Flagstaff House, whatever each of them want to call it. Yeah. India buying the sika any DC yet to a any policy, any good thing guy any person and just say it will be the sika die. E chesa sabi ye Jimmy yenim nyansa. And to answer Jaka dia ukan once after mo adi omuni pa den. Eba.
Kofi Jimmy no crowd e understatement.
Opemsuo.
Oh, me who topic no. Kofi na me bu fu more. Because menya akoda sa eniema mahu e wo Ghana no say ye no 3057 kra Kofi bibia no ebesi why because we need reorientation of our mindsets.
Opemsuo.
Why is it that Omanya yeti honom a ye hunu yasene mu ye change curriculum ne ade ye kira we so e de no fo aba no so change no na we just we are not focus eti education no ye de grow to press edi do woska no o ma ne mantena ha en we sit time and pass o ba ntra no okọ no oba obenya adwuma ye na de otena ha no wanya adwuma meaning say ye kra no ye certificate no kra no ye value because ye nyenim de ye de aye ye education no o ya wone pane boni bi to the extent say nansen ya enye ba bi e kwa wa o say Gomua area that area pictures bi o mo de ba encratic blocks so 2025 encratic blocks so akra wote blog ye de esidan so ne book eda ne na so a o twero de ade partner o ko twero ena kro no ye kro kese Gomua area ho no me fit de say Gomua afranse close to Swedru so tia say na gomo Francis so nye ayo krokitwa o na se nkura ko school o dia se eno ba ye no aye hwe no a na obi so de gomo bodoma se ase de so de ba ye
gomo afo abreba.
you see what is going on. And so you see here democracy ni etima kotoka $30 million. Na ye dem back for it is your priorities and say your priorities are yet to mind mu
Opemsuo.
say you pay school year sa $30 million no wo de enye MTN for a buildings ni bi when they are no form yeah de no politicians si maye no
Omo si no yen
for no 18 unit classroom blog no esi mako 36 na ye de amakwabrane se ontinem 4 years on fantika meanwhile akwabrane no wo sese ne sika obegye 4 years no a enu $5 million ye koi anase ye buy. They say we are quiet about S Gracia but mati pinche bi e wo form parliamentarians be fie no as omu hyehyia so they say Omaya ye hunu yasrim yesa betua S Gracia mo obi for 4 years so wasum 4 years na as a teacher masum 28 years no
o de wansum
me kwa e die na wo de beja me kwa so ne kura wo mu ni say education de kofi ya guno and I don't think say you bet me a revival. Say bet me a revival your education no we need orientation, different orientation. Na nyina yeti ase say from KG ekono oh enra say ade bia meti yakra de mesre papa say the whole Ghana teachers omo ye online program stress something and I say en school. I was very sad. Baby started until me sad. Me sad because Ghana network system say. Now teachers, you know how many of them and I was smart phones. Or smartphones so data, your internet say. The annual productivity in the education sector equal form at the expense of National Teacher Council for and this program no e buy. So teacher for any virtual. So virtual work no more no 10 o'clock to 11 o'clock and 11:30 to 12:30 no. And you more from more public schools in Yanko school. The whole Ghana. You quantify the cost.
Opemsuo.
Accrue to the nation. No. And you basa.
Normal man.
How can this be normal?
Normal.
How can it be normal?
Una raise the question say you quantify. Do they even think of quantifying?
What do you say? I didn't know more yet no. Almost checking the opportunity cost of allowing the teachers to stay in the house.
They will never because normal way. I know says ane kasa. You know ide.
Maybe we didn't want it. Where mo nipa omudi ni penim. Yede chichire o man Ghana say Ghana be. I don't think so. Ma menka economic kakra bi na kofi mi fancy. Na me nua momrem. 2057 economic indicators bay and I yede to proso. So by 2057 ebia inflation will be 0.25, which is doable because others are doing it. That's in Japan, if we 0.2, echo
0.3 and answer.
No, tell me. No,
I approximately now both
demonstrations are a course. eti ye indicators no ye ceiling ASA number 1 by 2057 and now your interest rate abedru say 2 to 5% ana and the kwambe so na ye fa ye sade no by 2057 and that Ghana exchange rate say na echo by 2057 na unemployment rate na e was say by 2057 and now our infrastructure public economic goods na no so na e wo hene fa na ye duru hene. We can't just put something on paper without having what? Indicators. Key indicators. Say anu bi na yes church dia ba say ye ene na ye be ye dia 2057 no say nyame e ma ye nkwane yete ase aka 27 years pe. Yo 2025. What I say? Okay, 2027. Aka this is what 27 plus. What do I say? Aka how many years? 2057. Aka how many years? Da ye ka say 2020 aba no ho no kreni ana ye koto aba no me mu hye me
32 years now I can just 4 term office.
What do I say? Nkofo bi 4 year 8 years 8 years
me
4 not 32 years aso. Why do you do such a projection?
Opemsuo.
So in the short term, what are you doing? In the medium term, and then the long term, the 2057. What are you doing? Are you okay with it? These are the questions we need to ask. Enya kroma na yakofa tablet bread enkra. Ebi enya bi.
Teachers kra nso sai ka say mu bi.
Teacher for kra no mu yati wo mu 900 Ghana cedis no. Bepi me na ebi nya wo mu de.
Opemsuo.
Eti bidi manusi no ye be srese. Eya omu nyina omukọ ama ahodro bi so. Ekohwe de omu ye. Enya ade a ya twa to krata mu no. Eno nkọ no mu ye o. De da krata mu na omu practice. So ye be sre o ye mpanyifo ne se de on be twa to krata so no mu fanya adwuma. Na emwa ye. Yenti kroma ena wo hene na agiska se okoye konfono se konfono che yare. De osa yare na yare. Die kwa kosa na yare. All along sika afa abansem. Say yesi konfono chi bi ewo every regional. Minu aka ahotomai. Na konfono chi hospital. Konfono chi hospital. Serve about 12 regions. About 12 regions.
Opemsuo.
Just imagine. Are we serious at all? Oh, na yate basunko ba watriko no matrase. We omokwa omoba nyina no omusa nkwan yo.
Enu nti ne kobo bosia no.
So,
ye
ya be chebusia no.
Ye atuomoka.
Ye be atuomoka. Dia ka ne ache ne edi.
Obra yesi ye wa for hospital se wu ha no. Konfono chi na ejuru guni ade no. Ye no so ayemfi.
Say Kofi me twa wa no Tuesday no. Before say me ba ha no mawia no. Me frɛ me yonko bi no so ho na so okay ma me mfa ho na OPD ho no mo no heri be gu ono
ani ba
sa det ye minimum dawo
I won't anko ntia
OPD e be gu OPD ho no mo no me ka say bibia si wo ho
omo
ti me bo pie ho no na me say what is going on here and that guy ka chem say
ho do yen
consulting rooms wo ho no me say up to consulting room 5 nti omu nyina obi atwen say yebo don kre na obi awurabu na so wow
omaye timo yo wo pese ohun de nyame ayama wa so be sori na wonyare no ye no
sa
ye adom no
oti kofi de me mama no asi no de me ka nyina ne se
Opemsuo.
se ye nkrata asem a ye kru chedi a
ye ade ba
ene ye ade ene ko munya de omu ye no na ye nam se because me de me hu ne se odwana ne no o se tutu no de all can said saya no nya bi
no question me be science this is the 8th committee for national development plan. What did the 7th committee do? What account no more render to us? What did the 6th committee? What did